Every year on the 9th of May, all the people in our country celebrate Victory Day. The 9th of May was the final day of the Great Patriotic War. It was in 1945. That war began on the 22nd of June 1941. People from Belarus, Russia, and from the republics of Central Asia and other countries fought against Nazis, and many people were killed. There are many monuments and victory memorials in our country. Every year in spring, we put flowers to the monuments to honor the memory of the war heroes. We congratulate you on 75th anniversary of the victory in the Great Patriotic War. We low bow to the heroes who did everything possible for this Victory Day. Dear veterans, thank you for no war we live in.
Cordial congratulations on Victory Day, the most important and welcome holiday. On this day of grateful and sorrowful memories, please receive heartiest and touching words of gratitude and down-to-earth bow to all those whose destinies were ruined by war.
We congratulate you on 75th anniversary of the victory in the Great Patriotic War. We look back to the heroes who did everything possible for this victory.
Red tulips, scarlet flame, as all the respected flag. Battle hacking all experienced the joy of victory, no, not forgotten. A beautiful morning sunlight, all victory people are happy.
With all my soul in this great day, I want to congratulate all those both to live throughout us today, both links with our lives and lives. I mean those people were protected always from weeping on the earth. Those people were rejected our enemies efforts to end the Russians' birth.
Далекий год на пленке старой, нелегкий путь, еще чуть-чуть и догорят войны пожар.